up, guys? It's Rosie Peters, and I'm back again with yet another video. If this is your first time here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want to watch how I created this simple look on my face, then do keep watching. I'm applying an eye primer on my eyelid, followed by a concealer on the eyelid, and I'll just blend that out as per usual. Now I'm using my Blossom palette, and this is in the shade Moondust on the Blossom palette, Moondust. I'm still trying to blend that out on the top of my crease. And then I went in with my sandalwood. Why am I calling it my? I went in with sandalwood. I'll leave everything in the description box. So I'm trying to blend it out. And then I'll go in with a primer. That's a classic eye primer. Just trying to create a crease. Now this is like the most simplest. Whoa, what did I just say? This is like the simplest way to actually cut a crease. For beginners, this is like the simplest way to cut a crease. So I'm trying to just make sure it blends out nicely. You could do it whatever way you want. So I'm applying a white powder on it. After that, I went in with Antigravity. That is the shade I'm using right now, Antigravity. And then you just make sure you place it on that primer. So you have to form the kind of shape you want. And then I went in with Pink Diamond just to darken that part. And right now I'm putting a bronzer on my eye bone, and that's the 24K from the same Blossom palette. Okay, you see how popping that looks. Okay, now I'm applying my eyeliner. I'll leave everything that was used in the description box. I know I have not been doing that. I am sorry, guys. I will leave every product used in the description box below. Just check it out. And everything is quite affordable. Aside the palette is 4,500, but every other thing is quite affordable. So I'm going down my eye waterline. And so I just primed my face. I'm about to go in with the face. Right now I use my Naked 9 mascara to pull out my eye lashes. I was going to say eyelid. Okay, I already applied my false lashes. I'll put every link up in the description box on how I draw my eyebrows, on how to do your eyeshadows well, and all of those nice stuff. So now I'm putting in my foundation. That's from Classic Makeup Product in color 5. I'm trying to blend properly. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl Conceal, trying to highlight. And make sure you place it beneath your eye, on your nose, your forehead, and under lip. Also on top of your lip. Now I'm going in with my foam blender to just blend it in. Just make sure you take your time. Like, highlighting is like the most important part, so you don't get flashback. So take your time and blend well. Now I like to pick my blending brush, a smaller one, to do the nose and that corner of the eye, just so it blends really, really well. And then I'll be going in with my contour. Next, I'm just trying to bake. Yep. You give that line beneath. You give it the side of your nose. Just try to bake properly so it actually helps. This video is beginner friendly. It's for those that are just trying to want to know one or two, just beginning to learn how to wear their makeup. This is for you guys. And then I'm trying to put the powder on my neck so my face and neck doesn't look like they're on a beef. And this is me trying to make sure you guys see that eyeshadow. My camera is doing no justice at all. That blend is, I wouldn't call it perfect, but that blend is wow. And then I'm going in on my under eye and doing exactly the same thing I did on top of my eyelid. Now I'm blending. So I picked my Fire Gold highlighter palette. Like that palette is the bomb, you know. You can see how the colors are coming out properly. So I'm just highlighting my nose, the top of my lips, and then finally I'm spraying. Now on the lips, I'm trying to line my lips with my brown pencil. Do you see that? Oh my god. Do you see that glow on my lips, on my cheeks, on the top? Oh, no, 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 no. On my nose. Girl, I am glowing. Okay, now I'm trying to like make sure this lipstick is so sticky. It's an old lipstick, so I give credit to it. Like it's been a long time. It's been over years. So sticky. So you just want to take your time, and that is the final look. That's what the look looks like. Now, if you want to see how I made this Bantu knot out, this twist right now, I'll leave the link also in my description box below. Do not forget to subscribe, please, and hit that like button. Show your girl some support, please. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.